For the last 2 units of the course, the activities and assignments are going to help you with an action project, where you use some of what you've learned throughout the course to spark conversations with colleagues in your school or organization. So in the activity for Unit 4, we're going to ask you to identify a problem of practice, something that you think you and your colleagues can work on in your local context. We'll ask you to reflect on the 4 educator mindsets for this course and identify one of those mindsets that you think is out of balance in your school. We'll then ask you to imagine what it would look like in your school to bring those mindsets into a healthier balance. With a problem of practice in mind, we're going to ask you to think about the assets in your school and community. For Unit 4, the assignment is to make an asset map. This is an exercise where you reflect on all the resources in your school and in your community that can be harnessed for making positive change. Doing an asset map is fun. It's a great way to reflect on all the strengths that can be found in your community. Then in Unit 5, we'll ask you to take one step towards rebalancing one of those mindsets by sharing some of what you've learned in this course with your colleagues. We'll invite you to take one of the practice spaces or an activity from this course and to share that exercise with some trusted colleagues. We'll help you think through choosing folks to share with through the logistics and planning for a great conversation. The goal is to use the resources that you've already explored in this course to help get more folks in your community involved in becoming a more equitable educator. So together we'll identify a problem of practice, think about some of the assets that can support you in addressing that problem of practice, and use the resources in this course to help kickstart conversations in your own school or organization.